Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Evie and I'm here today to review with you these beautiful jewelry pieces that I received from Linjer Company. So guys, before we proceed with the review, let me tell you something. This is my channel where you will find all these types of content about luxury, fashion, everything like that, guys. So if you're interested about this, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's start with the review. I must say that I am a jewelry lover, guys. So from the moment Linjer Company decided to send me these beautiful pieces, I was so excited because I was browsing on their website and I could see that they got different collections and all of them are so beautiful. Because let me tell you, I love jewelry, but I love jewelry that is quite subtle and elegant and classy at the same time. So I don't like these types of jewelry where you can see that they look too chunky. Okay, so for me these pieces are perfect, guys. But let me tell you something. Starting first of all with the shipping, it was so fast, guys. Probably it took around a week and a half for them to come to the UK, which is not bad. The customer service was amazing. So I was telling them the size that I have for my rings, you know, and they were helping me to choose the right size, and also everything, guys. The communication was perfect. They care so much about customer service, which is good. So I was so pleased. They are so kind, very easy company to deal with. And now let's talk about the most beautiful part about this company, their jewelry pieces. Okay, so the collection that I received is the gold vermeil collection. Their pieces are crafted with a thick layer of 22 karat gold over sterling silver. So it's 5 times thicker layer than normal gold plated pieces that you can find somewhere else on the market. I love the part that these pieces are durable and timeless, guys. So I'm so happy about the quality of these types of jewelry. And talking about the materials of this jewelry that I received, as you see, well, I have with me here the earrings that are made with pearl, yeah, real pearls, and the necklace too, guys. And the rings are made of a different material. So all of this jewelry I will be linking down below on my description box and on my comment section, guys. So if you are interested, you can get them, and also there will be a discount code so you can get the best deal. Okay, guys, so now let me show you how these pieces came packed. Okay, so I have a video here where I'm just unboxing the jewelry so you can have an idea how they come, the presentation, and all of that stuff, guys. So let's proceed to see the unboxing. So this is how it came in this little box, and once you open it, it says Linjer, meet your fine favorites, ethical, sustainable, and unique jewelry that you can enjoy for years to come. Recycled gold and silver, conflict-free diamonds, timeless design. Okay, and here we have this little card that says Linjer, and it says that they started Linjer in 2014 out of their own personal desire. So since the beginning of their journey, the 3 pillars of the brand have been beautiful design, ethical sourcing, and fair pricing. It says also here that they take pride in incorporating sustainable practices in their business, like using 100% recycled gold and silver and lab-grown diamonds And at the end they say, thank you so much for choosing Linjer. We hope that you enjoy our products for the years to come. The signatures of the co-founders and designers and the company contact details. So this is very nice, guys. And let's see what else we have. Here there is another little card that says, hi Evelyn, hope you love your new pieces, love the Linjer team. So nice. Then we can find here these little pouches where you can save your jewelry pieces that say stay golden Linjer. Very, very nice. So you can put all your jewelry when you are traveling or you are on the go, guys. Very, very nice. Okay, so now let's review the jewelry pieces. They come in these beautiful boxes with these little ribbons. Such a nice presentation. So now let me unwrap this so I can show you the jewelry. Let's start first with the first piece. It comes in this beautiful little pouch that says Linjer. And you can see here this little card next to it that says enjoy the finer things. And here you can find this little tag with the name of the jewelry that we are going to review now. So this is the Matilde pearl earrings. So now let me show you what else it says here. The finer things in life. Just for you. Designed for thoughtful individuals, people who curate their lives and the objects they own. Our timeless jewelry is made with sustainable materials and ethical manufacturing practices. Yours to love for years to come, the Linjer team. All these pieces are in the gold vermeil collection, guys. So look at these earrings. They have a very thick layer of gold over sterling silver, 925 sterling silver, and they have freshwater pearls on them. Look at that. So gorgeous and elegant and subtle at the same time. And they feel so durable, guys. It's just a perfect gold tone. 14 karat gold tone. According to what it says on the description, guys. So gorgeous. Now let's review our second piece. Let me open this beautiful little ribbon. Another beautiful little card and a little pouch that says Linjer too. Once we open this, we can find the mother of pearl ring, Marget. Let me tell you guys, this piece is made with 100% recycled gold and sterling silver. All of these pieces in general, guys, from the gold vermeil collection. This ring in particular is made with natural gemstones. So I'm just trying this on, guys, so you can see how gorgeous it is. Look at this, so gorgeous. Wow, I'm speechless. Such a beauty, guys. What do you think? So gorgeous. Okay, now let's review our third piece. Let me open this. The little pouch again, the little card, and let's see what we have here. We have the moonstone ring, Elisa. So this is made with natural rainbow moonstones that glow white and blue tones. The moonlight hue changes under different lighting to mesmerizing effect. Each stone has a unique coloring. So gorgeous. And now look at both rings. Wow, I really love them. And now let's review our fourth and last piece. Let me open this again and let me show you what we have. So this is the Baroque pearl necklace. Wow, small, beautiful, subtle, elegant. Just what I need. Look at the tone of gold. So gorgeous, guys. The chain feels amazing to the touch. It says Linjer on it. And the pearl has a beautiful white lustre. Very, very beautiful. So as you saw it, the presentation is amazing, and I love the fact that you have this little pouch that says Linjer, so you can store all your favorite jewelry pieces and you can take care of them. So it's perfect to take your jewelry on the go, in your handbag, or if you're traveling, you know, it's just perfect for me. So guys, this was the unboxing and the review of these amazing pieces. I love Linjer jewelry. Definitely this is my style. I love that it's subtle, elegant, durable, beautiful gold tone. Everything, guys, about it is so gorgeous. I highly recommend this company, guys. So thank you so much, Linjer, for sending me these beautiful pieces. And guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I will be here always to share with you my love for luxury jewelry, fashion pieces, everything like that, guys. So yeah, we come to the end of the video. Thank you so much, and I will see you on another unboxing and review. Bye bye.